Hey guys, here I have the 3-step acne kit from Kidskin and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it. All of Kidskin's products are gluten-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. Kidskin's products have high-quality ingredients like salicylic acid and squalene. And best of all, they are dermatologist and pediatrician recommended. And one last thing, since this is an acne kit, be sure not to use it on sensitive skin. First up is the Tblast Cleanser. You want to make sure to use this twice a day. You want to start off by wetting your face with warm water. You're going to want to use about 2 pumps. Gently apply to your face so that way you do not cause irritation. Wash your face for about 10 seconds and then gently rinse off. After washing off the cleanser, use a soft, absorbing towel to pat dry your face. Before moving on to the next steps, you want to make sure that your face is completely dry, so give it about 5 minutes. Next is the Zblast Serum. Use this once to twice a day. Apply a small amount to your fingertips and then gently massage into the skin. Make sure to avoid areas around the eyes so you don't cause irritation. Give it about 5 to 10 minutes to let it fully penetrate into the skin before moving on to the moisturizer. Lastly is the Calming Moisturizer. You want to use this once or twice a day. Make sure to apply a generous amount of this. Apply the moisturizer using your fingertips and once again make sure to avoid the eye areas. After completing all of these steps, you should be left with clean and non-irritated skin. If you guys would like to try out Kidskin's amazing products, just go to kidskin.com.